What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk about something that I haven't talked about before. I've talked about the best no annual fee card that's out there in the past, and it was the Wells Fargo Propel card. It's an amazing card. Everybody should have it. I don't care who you are. You should get it. The metal card, it has a lot of value to it. So that's enough about that. If you are a person that really is just like, I don't know where to start when it comes to annual fee cards. I don't want to just go ahead and jump into the gold card like I did. I want to jump into something that's going to give me a lot of value from the start, that I don't have to push and use credits and do all this extra stuff in order to use or get the value out of it. So I have my best annual fee card right here, and we're going to get into that in just a second. Some of you may guess, some of you may not. But this is the best starter annual fee card that you could possibly get. And I think it's hands down the best card that you could possibly get. So we'll get into that in just a second. But before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. So if you want to know about that giveaway, stick around to the end of the video to hear all about it. And for people that already know about the giveaway has changed. Stick around to the end and you'll hear all of the changes. I guess a couple of the changes. There's not really a lot. It's one big change. But go ahead and check that out at the end. So stick around, watch the whole entire thing, and then, cut to the end. Cut to the end of the video. But let's go ahead and get into this, the best annual fee card that you want to start with. So when I think of the best annual fee card for anyone to start with, obviously it has to be a lower annual fee card. It can't be something that's $250 or $550 or $1,000 or whatever. You're not going to start, with the I'm trying to think of a $1,000 card. The gold card, not the Amex gold card, the MasterCard gold card. You're not going to start with that card, but you're going to start with, I wouldn't even recommend going to that card. I wouldn't ever recommend anybody goes to that card. You know what? Forget I even talked about that card. Don't even go and look it up because it's not the best card. It's a horrible card. So don't do it. Don't. I know you're tempted. You're probably going to your browser right now. You probably stopped the video, and you may not even be hearing this because you stopped the video and then you went over to your browser, searched what the card was, and then you're like, oh, this looks like a good card. And now you're searching through the benefits and you're probably like, oh, you know what? Maybe I can get this card. No, it costs too much and it's stupid. Don't do it. So anyways, I'm kind of getting a little far field here. So the card that I have as the best no annual fee credit card to start with is the Blue Cash Preferred card by American Express. This is a lower annual fee card, gives you a ton of value, and anyone can use it. You do not have to reach for any credits, and it gives you a larger bonus than usual. So let's get into the details here. So the details for this card has a $250 bonus when you spend $1,000 in your first 3 months. So if you have normal spending that you can put on this card, you can already make up the annual fee on that card with just the bonus. And that's really more of a trial run there. So I like cards that are like this, that give you 25% back when you spend a certain amount. That's absolutely awesome. So I think this is one of the best bonuses that are out there, even though it's just a cash bonus. So this card does have a $95 annual fee. Now, a $95 annual fee is not huge, but it is more than zero. It's $95 more than zero. If you can do math correctly, 95 minus zero is 95. But $95 is not that bad. I can say it's not that bad, and it's a really good card for the amount of value that you get. So you probably just think, oh, you know what? You don't really get that much value. If you're new to credit cards, you probably think, oh, you probably don't get that much value. You probably get like 2 times back or something like that. So you do get 6% on supermarket purchases up to $6,000. So you get 6% back. You can make that money back in cash back very quickly. I mean, very quick. You also get 6% on streaming. You also get 3% on gas stations and on transit. And then you get 1% on all other. You also get 0% APR for 12 months. Now, why is this the best annual fee card that you could possibly start with? Look at the categories. Normal spending categories to where, everybody streams nowadays. Everybody has a streaming service, so you can get a lot of value there. Everybody goes to supermarkets. Every single person buys food and eats food. If you don't eat food, then I'm sorry that you're just, in the minority here. I feel like you're lying because everybody has to eat food. So you have to go to grocery stores and you get 6% on supermarkets. That's perfect, right? So you're getting cash back on the places where you already spend and you don't have to reach for any spend. So I feel like this has to be the best annual fee card. I keep trying to say no annual fee card, but this is the best annual fee card that you can start with. $95 of an annual fee, that's nothing compared to the amount of value you can get back, especially in the first year, getting $250 on your bonus. So I recommend that you start with this. And if you have any other recommendations on cards, if any other YouTubers are watching my channel, make sure you put the recommendation down below. I'll make sure to pin your comment so that people see what your best annual fee card to start with is. But this card is super interesting, and I really want it, but it overlaps with my spend right now. As I have the gold card, it overlaps with my supermarket purchases, so I can technically use it together with the gold card, and just use this on supermarket purchases after I get above $6,000. Then I can basically use the gold card for the rest, which is awesome. So I can combine the spend and still get a lot of value out of it if I wanted to, and on US streaming services and on gas stations. So I can get a lot of value out of this card if I actually wanted it, which I do want it. So maybe I might be doing an unboxing video of this card. I can't really think of a reason why not to get it right now. So this is pretty interesting. You might be seeing some breaking news right now. I can't think of a reason not to get it, but the Blue Cash Preferred card by American Express is absolutely the best card out there, the best annual fee card to start with. And if you are thinking about a card, you're like, hey, I'm done with all my no annual fee cards. I feel like I need more value. This is a card you can start with. You can get a lot of value out of it. Absolutely a lot of value out of it. And a lot of people will argue, hey, you know what? I'm ready. I just want to stay with my no annual fee cards. I have the Blue Cash everyday card and give me 3%, and I'm fine with that. But you're missing out on 3% more. So this could be a lot of value that you get back. But that's my video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards. I put up 4, but it's 2 and 2. So I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week. Every single week I give away 2 Amazon gift cards, 52 weeks a year. So make sure you put your name in the hat. The way that you do that is you just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to both of my YouTube channels. If you subscribe to both of them, then you get a ticket in the hat. But if you're not subscribed to both of them, you won't get any tickets, and no matter how many times you comment, you won't get any tickets. So make sure you subscribe to both of my channels. The podcast channel link will be up or down in the description and up in the cards. So check both of those things out, and hit the subscribe button down below. A little notification bell doesn't hurt it. You could do that. But that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everybody who watches my content. I can't believe that I'm at the point that I'm at now. I believe I'm somewhere around 4,500 subscribers, closer to 5,000 subscribers. So I'm really excited about where I can go in the next year. So keep supporting me and keep doing what you're doing. I really appreciate it. But I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.